really busy here, very, very windy. But the flying's been good. Air Force helicopters. So looking down towards Durban. This wind.
Look at that. That is including the pilot, is powered by beautiful. So now we're watching Durban, who I can also have joined the company called Executive Outcomes, where he flew the MI-8, he flew the MI-24, the gunship, he flew the MI-26. This man has seen extensive action, he knows what it's like.
Contestants will be chosen to compete in our live aviation game. Guess the plane's altitude, predict correctly, and walk away with the first prize of 5,000 rand. So what are you waiting for? Head over to the Aviation.
Claim to fame for watching fly this beautiful, beautiful Airbus helicopter, the H-145.
Yes guys, this is the Airbus H-145, which is a upgraded version of the VK117. To show you the sideways speed and the effectiveness of that tail rod engine. So they'll be doing approximately 65 knots.